First up, we have the Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer. This is a budget-friendly option that's perfect for beginners. It comes with a starter kit of 30 vacuum bags, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Its lightweight and compact design make it a great choice for smaller kitchens, and the controls are incredibly intuitive, ideal for anyone new to vacuum sealing. However, it's worth noting that the Chef Preserve is fairly basic. It doesn't offer advanced features like separate dry and moist food modes or a built-in bag cutter. Also, it's a bit noisier than some competitors. But if simplicity and affordability are what you're after, this is a fantastic pick. Next on the list is the MEGAWISE vacuum sealer machine. This model is all about versatility and power. It has dual modes for dry and moist foods, ensuring an optimal seal no matter what you're preserving. Plus, the built-in bag cutter is a handy feature that eliminates the need for scissors. The MEGAWISE even includes a starter kit with 10 vacuum bags in a roll, so you can customize bag sizes. While it's a bit bulkier than the Chef Preserve, and the extra features might take a little time to master, the performance and functionality it offers make it worth the learning curve. Finally, we have the FoodSaver PowerVac Compact, a premium option for those short on counter space. Its upright design saves room, and it's built for both wet and dry foods, so you can confidently seal anything from juicy cuts of meat to crunchy snacks. FoodSaver is a trusted brand with a reputation for durability, and this model runs quieter than most. However, that premium quality comes at a higher price point, and the starter accessories are limited compared to the other two models. So, which one is right for you? If you're on a budget and want something simple, the Chef Preserve Vacuum Sealer is your best bet. For those who value versatility and advanced features, the MEGAWISE vacuum sealer machine won't disappoint. And if you're looking for a compact premium option, the FoodSaver PowerVac Compact is the way to go. Whichever you choose, you'll be taking a big step towards saving money, reducing waste, and keeping your food fresher for longer. Thanks for watching and happy sealing! Don't forget to check the links below for more details on these fantastic vacuum sealers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gear reviews.